Hey yo, what up people? This is your boy Jason J Kicks, and today I'm making this quick video just to tell you that on Sneaker Shop we just got these image right here. And if you don't know what this means, that's shock drop. That's shock drop coming. So stay tuned, be alert, cause we about to get a shock drop for the military blues, man. The military blue Ford. I'm telling you, I'm seeing a lot of hate on the issue just by the fact that apparently we're gonna have a ton of pairs of this one. Over 1 million pairs of the military blue Ford. I don't know why can't someone criticize this new? Why can you hate on the possibility that it's gonna be like, what, 90% chance for you to get these shoes? How can you hate on that? I have zero respect for the people's hating on this big stock for the Jordan 4 military blues. This just makes no sense at all. For real, blows my mind. Every time I see someone mad because of the stock number for the military blues, industrial blue, or whatever Nike wants to call these shoes now, but if you know, you know, military blue is the name. And someone was about to hit my car. You better don't do it. This car has gone through a lot. Don't hit it. Okay, cool. So going back to the video right here, man, for real, these shoes unbelievable. And just by this image right here on Sneaker Shop, I think we're going to have this shock drop happening soon. Hold on, I gotta move. See, these are the things I don't miss from New York at all. Someone was there trying to save a parking spot. I was waiting here. Man, I've been waiting for 15 minutes. Nah, you ain't gonna save this to nobody. Cool, so I'm back, man. And as I was saying, the military blue is one of the greatest shoes that we're going to get this year, one of the greatest Jordan 4 of all time. And just getting the opportunity to get these shoes, the most opportunities we can get, the best it will be for all of us. So there's absolutely no reason to get mad at a high stock on these shoes. We all can get these shoes easily. That's simply amazing in my opinion. So guys, just that, man, be ready, because this shock drop is happening. I'm 100% sure we're going to get this shock drop very soon, probably the same week, probably tomorrow. Okay, it's just that if I have to put my money on the table, I will say that it's probably gonna happen tomorrow. I can't confirm that, but I think it's gonna be this week. So if it's gonna happen this week, it's gonna be tomorrow. But if it doesn't happen this week, next week for sure we having this shock drop. I'm not telling you the official shock drop date because I don't know the official shock drop date. I'm just giving you this information in case you haven't seen this image on Sneaker Shop. This image simply means we having a shock drop. That's why the question is, are you in the mood for a shock drop? And the options are yes. So of course we are. We want the shock drop. Big shock drop coming because the stock number for these shoes is just incredible. So if you want the military blues, industrial blue, or whatever shade of blue that you want to call these shoes, good luck, stay ready, because the shock drop is coming, guys. Thank you for watching this quick video, improved video. I just had to stop to give you the news. So thank you for watching the video. Share your opinion with me. Are you going for these? Are you gonna pass? What you gonna do? Then you're gonna feel like the special kid in the school because the stock number on this one is high? Let me know in the comment section, man. Whatever you feel like it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you a lot for watching the video, and till the next one, gotta go. I'm in New York, first time since I left to New Jersey, but I gotta be careful right here. That's why you see me like this, a little nervous, looking around. Things getting crazy here. But thank you for watching the video. And if you want more information about the shock drop, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna keep updating you right there on Instagram. every single news that I got about this or any other release that you care about, you're going to get it on my Instagram, because I'm gonna share that information with you right there. So thank you again for watching, and till the next one, bye bye guys.